So here in the Tri-Yoga shop, we've got foam rollers here. People often ask me what you do with these, and I am going to give a quick demonstration of how you can roll your body and do some valuable self-massage. So here we have one that I borrowed from somebody else. And very quickly, you can roll. I often start with my tibialis anterior, which is the muscle lateral to the shin. And this muscle dorsiflexes the foot. It gets very tight. People get a lot of cramping in their shins. And so you can start by just balancing like this on the foam roller, and then rolling just backwards and forwards, just taking your weight down into that muscle. I'm going quite, well, I'm kind of going at average speed. You can go faster, you can go slower. What you can do, I'm going to do the other leg quickly so you can see maybe better. So shin on, take the other foot on top. So what you can do here is find a nice place and then maybe plantar, dorsiflex the foot. And you can do that movement as you roll along, just to help increase the intensity of it. Now from here, you roll your shin, and then after there, I might like to roll onto my quads. So again, you can take one leg on top of the other just for a bit more weight in there. You can flex and extend the knee as you roll, which again is going to help with the intensity. You can do both legs at the same time, or just one leg on. From there, you can roll into your IAYT band. And again, you can roll, flex the knee, it's going to make it a bit stronger, extend, roll again, do it again. This is actually agony, but nice agony. From there, this takes you nicely up into your glutes. So, glute max and piriformis, a bit more onto the side, glute minimus, glute medius. And from there, nicely, this takes us onto the ribs. So you can roll intercostal, serratus anterior, lats up under the armpit into the shoulders, teres minor, teres major, and infraspinatus. From here, onto your back. Lumbar spine, and up into the thoracic again. Here you can cross your arms, a little bit of extension and flexion as you roll. Support your head if you want to, just have a play. And then from there, you can come onto your chest. Just roll out the chest, and this is a nice place. You can do some movements with the arms, just to stretch open the fibers of the pecs. And there we go. Briefly, this is how you can roll, massage your body using a foam roller. Another one which I didn't do is calves. So calves is kind of hard to get weight down, but it can be done. And again, you can flex, dorsiflex, plantarflex the foot as you roll along here. Same with the hamstrings. It's hard, really. Hamstrings are big, strong muscles to get enough weight down through for me to make it effective. But there you go, how to use a foam roller.